Hey there, boys and girls. Welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Drunk. It's beer porn. Today, I'm looking forward to this one. It's a Stone Xocoveza Trey Sexy. Imperial Stout inspired by Mexican hot chocolate and whatever. Stout brewed with chocolate, coffee, pasilla peppers, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, rice, and oats. 8.5% ABV. Can it get any better than that? Usually this is pretty good. Sometimes it's awesome. And this year sounds really awesome. If you've never had Mexican hot chocolate, you're missing out. It's a special holiday release. Indulge while you can. We won't judge. Anyway, age at cellar temperature, 55 degrees or below. Chocolate and peppers, for sure. Doesn't look so much like hot chocolate as it does good 30 weight motor oil. Cinnamon, I can get the cinnamon. Chocolate. The peppers are up front and smacking me in the nose. It's not overpowering, just pepper. Chocolate. And a coffee in the background. It's different. Maybe it's the caramel that's different this year. They've done a good job of balancing everything. I can taste the vanilla, can taste the coffee, can make out the nutmeg, rice and oats. It's probably just there for balance, and it does it. I like it. It's different. I like it. Out of 5, it's probably 3 3/4, maybe a 4 once it warms up a little. And the flavors meld together, merge, maybe. I like it. So that's it for today. Another decent Stone brew. They don't have many bad ones. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day and cheers.